Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. It's official website so you can download driver. Then right hand side this is search icon and just enter the model number of motherboard AORUS GTX 11660 Super 60. Click on the product and then click on title. Then click on support. And select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same, all the operating system installations process, download process same. So this is here, and select your driver, select your operating system which is you required, and then this is our driver and you can see this is download. Then click to download. It will start downloading in the download box. Okay, it will take some time, 10 to 5 minutes, and then click on three dot and go to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.